In this video, I am going to show you how to properly swaddle your baby in 3 simple steps. Stay tuned. On the bed here, I have my swaddler, and this is basically the swaddler 1, 2, 3. So if you look right here at the bottom of the blanket, it is going to show you the 1, 2, 3 step on how to swaddle your baby. And this is from the company Amazing Baby. This video is not sponsored. So I actually received this for free, and if I'm not mistaken, I think it is the Amazon baby box. And yes, you can hear my baby in the background because he's getting ready to be a part of this video. So the first step is to turn your blanket in like a diamond position where you'll have this small little tip at the top, and then you're going to fold that down. And this is where you're going to sit your baby. Once you have your baby lying at the top of the blanket, you are going to start from your left, and then you're going to work your way to the right. The first thing I'm going to do is take his hands, put them right there on his chest, and I'm going to start from the left side. Take the left side, take everything, and tuck it under the bottom, and I'm going to place it here. Then I'm going to take the last part, take it over, and place it underneath. And then give him Okay, let's see that one more time. First thing I want to do is take his hands, put them right there on his chest, and I'm going to start from the left side. Take the left side, take everything, and tuck it under the bottom, and I'm going to place it here. Then I'm going to take the last part, take it over, and place it underneath. And then give him This helps so much during nap time. I'm able to get him to sleep a lot longer than I would if his arms are just out and then he's able to move around. So hopefully this helps with you guys because it definitely helped with me. Well, guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in my next how-to. Bye.